This is Roma XLI, a game of exile and deceit for 1 to 9 players. In this world, you are one of 9 contenders fighting for total control. To win, you must outlast everyone else. It comes in a beautiful, magnetically closing book box. When you open it, the board folds out into a stunning map of ancient Rome. You'll see incredible mosaic artwork throughout, bringing the era to life. The gameplay is fast and tense, usually lasting about 20 to 40 minutes. On your turn, you play 1 card. You can place it face down as a vote against an opponent or face up to take a special action. After that, you roll a custom gold-flecked die. This die determines if the exile token moves forward. When that token hits an exile square, the tension peaks. All face-down votes are revealed. The player with the most votes is sent into exile, but there's a twist. You can play a Legion card face down to bluff. If you're voted out but have a Legion, you might survive while the person with the next most votes is kicked out instead. This gadget thrives on social interaction. You start in teams and you actually earn gold for every teammate who stays alive. It pays to be loyal until it doesn't. If you help vote out your own teammate, you steal all their gold. You have to decide exactly when to pivot from a loyal ally to a cold-blooded traitor. Even if you are exiled, you aren't totally out. You can rejoin the game if you draw your character card, or if another player brings you back as a follower. As a follower, your fate is tied to your leader, creating a whole new layer of strategy. If you're looking for the ultimate experience, the deluxe version of this product is packed with premium components. We're talking chunky metal coins, a heavy metal temple token for the first player, and custom sculpted pawns for the 9 historical characters like Cleopatra and Brutus. The deluxe version also includes the Bag of Fate. This adds a linen bag and wooden tokens that players can use to cast extra votes, making the strategy even deeper. Plus, there are Kickstarter-exclusive expansions like the Chronicles of Roma, which adds real historical events to every round. Whether you are playing solo against ghost, opponents, or gathered with 8 friends, this game offers a blend of history and heart-pounding betrayal. It's easy to learn, but every session feels different.